Hey, welcome to the homework check for Thursday, Level 3, Quarter 4, Week 5. Here we go. Kevin has 382 toy cars in his collection. Rounded to the nearest 100, how many toy cars does Kevin have? So we know when we do that, we underline the hundreds place, circle the digit to the right. The 8 is going to bump that 3 up or round it up to a 4. The circled digit reminds us to change everything else to zeros. And the label that we need is how many? It's toy cars, 400 toy cars. And since we're rounding it, we really need to say it's about 400 toy cars. On her birthday, Martha received 6 boxes of chocolates. Each box of chocolates has 12 pieces inside. How many pieces of chocolate does Martha have now? Well, she's got 6 boxes, and each box has 12 in it. So 6 times 2 is 12, and 6 times 1 is 6, plus 1 is 7. She has 72 pieces of chocolate. I'll just put pieces for now. You know it's chocolate. All right. Dividend divided by the divisor equals the quotient, but we read them backwards like multiplication problems. Something times 5 is 30, and that would be 6. Something times 9 is 36. That would be 4. Something times 8 is 32. We're missing the bathtub in that one, the little dirty pig story. And something times 12 is 84. Well, that would be 7. And to check yourself here, you could come over here and do, let's see if it really does equal 84. 7 times 2 is 14. 7 times 1 is 7, plus 1 is 8. Yep, that's a check. Fill in the missing number. We have learned that this line in a fraction really means divided by, so we can rewrite this as 12 divided by 4 equals blank. Something times 3 equals 4, and that would be 3. 12 fourths equals 3 wholes. If I did that to show you, here's my 3 wholes. If I divide them into fourths, oh, that was really bad. Hang on a second. Try that again. You can see that I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I really do have 12 fourths, and when I put them all back together, I get 3 wholes. All right, Joshua has an eraser that has a mass of 5 grams, a pencil grip with a mass of 5 grams, and a pencil with a mass of 28 grams. What is the total mass of all the items? So let's look at everything we're adding up here. 28, and I know 8 and 5 is 13. We're going to go ahead and put that. 8 and 3 is 11, and 2 and 1 and 1 is 4. And what is the total mass? The mass is 41, and the unit was grams, 41 grams. We've already done the elapsed time, so let's go to the perimeter. The perimeter of an equilateral triangle is 15 inches. What is the length of each side? So we're going to take the inches as if we've traveled all the way around this triangle, and we're going to divide it equally among 3 sides because it said it was an equilateral triangle. All sides must be the same. So 15 inches divided out equally among 3 sides equals blank. Something times 3 equals 15. That would be 5, and our unit is inches. So each one of these sides is 5 inches. And our hint was that equilateral means equal sides. And we've already done the line plot, so we're finished for today.